So I just wanted to make a quick video on how to remove and reinstall the PCIe slot retention clip in a Dell PowerEdge T610. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to release the clip and then open it up all the way. And when it's opened up all the way, you can push down on this little locking clip here to release it and then push it outwards. Once you got that one released, you'll need to push the locking clip in basically kind of halfway-ish, and you'll have to push on the bottom locking clip. Now in case of this position, you're probably going to need a screwdriver just because it's hard to get to, but you'll push that up and then out. And when you remove it, it basically kind of rotates out. So you'll need to have the clip in the outward position, and then you can just kind of rotate it and pull it out like that. Basically what's going on is the frame is nestling into this little notch here, and this part here sits lower than the opening. Now to reinstall it, you're going to want the clip or the locking clip to be kind of partially out. You rotate it in and you'll push in the bottom locking clip first, and once you get that into place, you can push the locking clip in all the way and then push the top side of it in until it locks into place. Basically what's going on is this locking clip has a taper to it, so depending on where the position of it is will determine whether or not it's interfering with your ability to move these locking clips. But yeah, hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.